car is huge. Inside, outside, under the hood, engine, reputation, and weighing in at 3,800 pounds and 18 feet long, with tons of seating and a trunk the size of a Taliban cave, most excellent for sneaking the crew into the drive-in, and 427 cubes to get them there. Huge is an understatement. So what else is new? Created when the in thing to do in Detroit was stuffing giant engines into giant cars, the Impala SS was a popular toy in the late 50s and early 60s. Full size was the only size then, until the arrival of the mid-size muscle car. And it was huge fun while it lasted. In the 60s, 920,000 SSs hit the mean streets, starting with the 283, 348, or the oh-so-fine 409. Even a few SSs had 6s early on, but the 4 1/4 63 409 was the key. But by 65, that was ancient technology, and the new Mark IV and 396 fire-breathing porcupine-headed beast came along, also cranking out 4 1/4 horses. Also joining the lineup was the 427. Unfortunately, at this time, that concept was almost extinct by the time it got rolling. Every major vehicle manufacturer had lessened their restrictions on giant engines being installed in small cars and mid-sized cars by then. While the youth were sucked into the small block lightweight Camaros, Novas, and Vels, a few held out for the full-size luxury Impala. Then along comes 1969, and the SS Impala lineup has the 427 only. No small blocks, no 6s, no basic SSs. Other than a blacked out grille and SS badging, this monster would get lost in a crowd. Under that plain hood was an L36 390 horse mill. Returning again are the heavy duty goodies and redline rubbers and front discs, all for $420. Well spent. Options include 4-gear Muncies and 15-inch rally hoops. Total production pumped out for the last of the big time SSs was only 2,455. In 1970, Impala buyers could still opt for the even bigger 454, but it just wasn't the same without the SS. The 67 had its bitchin' hood, the 68 had the unique fenders, the 69, nothing. Just 2 small 427 badges hidden above the side marker lights. The original Impala run lasted until Chevy axed them in '85. Astro ventilation. A 4-gear. And white vinyl buckets.
Turn this gold, like gold, and put white stripes on it.
To Home Depot really quick.
Yeah, can you do that? Well, this is the guy that bought from me when we were living in the house with Harry there in the garage. This guy came with this wreck. But had a real motor in it. One time he left the lights down, and we were on the freeway.
Oh,